Every woman was required to cry for an hour each day for 30 days before her wedding. She wouldn't do this alone. Her mother would join her for the first 3 weeks, her grandmother for the next 2 weeks, and finally, aunts and sisters for the last week. It was considered an essential way to show love for her family.
Do you also want to create historical videos for free and earn money? Look at this. This channel uploads short historical videos and is currently earning more than $3,000 per month, which is mind-blowing. So in this video, I'll show you a free and easy method to create such short videos and earn money. In the first step, you should create a new YouTube channel focused on the history niche. I won't cover that step as everyone knows how to create a YouTube channel. So let's move towards the main part of the video. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's get started.
So first of all, search for any historical channel that you like and open a short video that you want to create. Simply copy the link of the video. Then go to any YouTube transcription generator website. Here I'm using DubDub. Paste the link of the video and click on transcribe. It will give you the whole script of the video. Just simply copy the script. Now go to ChatGPT and paste your script over here and ask ChatGPT to rephrase this script. Don't copy the exact scripts of the videos, just simply do a little bit of changes and rephrase them. So here is my script ready. Now in the next part, we have to generate images for our video. For doing that, I'm using Leonardo AI and I will generate an image of an ancient man who will be the narrator of my video. So I'm gonna make this avatar talk. So here is the result and I will download this image. You can see the image looks pretty well. I will simply download it. You can also create your own avatars. Now in the next step, we have to generate the images for our video. Just go to the script and see what is the first part about. So in my script, the first part is about an emperor who is a short-heighted person. So I will write the prompt according to the script and I will explain the scene, also the character, so that it can generate accurate images. So here is the result and I have got the image for my first scene. Now the next part is an important trick that you can use in your video. So basically we will turn this image into a motion video. We will add motion effects. So if you click on the image, you will see an option of generate motion video. Just simply click on it. Then set the motion strength to 5 and then simply click on generate. So here is my motion video ready and you can see it looks really cool and we are going to use this in our video. So in this way you have to generate images first and then turn them into motion videos. You have to generate images for the whole script. So I'm gonna fast forward this process and I'm going to move towards the next main part of this video. So in the next step, simply go to this website called Wondershare Virbo and create an account over here. So once signed in, you will see this beautiful interface. Now if you scroll down, you will see some pre-made avatars that you can use in your videos. They absolutely look realistic and I simply love them. You might have seen at the start of my video, the talking avatar I used there was created with Wondershare Virbo and it actually looked really cool. So you can use their pre-made avatars as well in your videos. But as I already have an image generated for the video, so I will convert it in a talking photo. Just simply go to talking photo. There you will also see some options. The pre-made images, you can also use them as well. As I already have an image, so I will simply upload it. So here I have uploaded my image. Now once the image is uploaded, simply click on next. Now here you can add script, background music and voiceover to the video. First of all, simply paste your script over here. So I will go back to the ChatGPT, copy my script and I will paste it over here. Then you can also turn on or off the subtitles and you can also select background music for the video. Then if you go above, you will see an option of AI script, AI translation and pause option. So if you click on AI script, you can do some changes in your script over here using their AI tool. So you can also shorten your script over here, make it more professional, happier, and you can also directly rewrite your script from here as well. Then there is also an amazing option of AI translation that you won't find in other websites. So you can translate your original script into other languages. For example, if I select Chinese over here, it will convert my entire script into Chinese language. And in this way, I can create a video in Chinese language as well. So this is really cool. Now we will choose a voiceover for our video. If you click over here, you will see a variety of voiceover artists. You can also play and check them.
Wondershare Virbo. Easy to use, no need to shoot. Make international marketing videos in seconds.
Wondershare Virbo. Easy to use, no need to shoot. Make international marketing videos in seconds.
So once you select a voiceover artist, click on OK. So here everything is done. I will simply click on create video. So now it will take a few minutes to generate. So here it's ready, let's play.
Did you know that in ancient China, people of short stature could not be arrested? Back in 200 BC, Emperor Qin Shi Huang, who stood at just 4 feet 11 inches, was considered quite short.
Simply amazing, I absolutely loved it. Like, just check the quality of the video, it looks so realistic. So I will simply download the video. This website is one of my favorite because it actually generates so realistic avatars. Also, they have some pre-made video templates that you can use in generating some other kind of videos as well. Wondershare Virbo also give you 2 free credits, and I think no other website give you this much free credits. So you should give it a try. Now in the last step, just go to any video editor and import your video files over here. First of all, I will add my video that I generated from Wondershare Virbo, and then I will drag the clips, the motion clips that I generated, and I will simply edit my video properly. You can use any editor. Here I'm using Capcut. Now let me show you the final result of my video.
Did you know that in ancient China, people of short stature could not be arrested? Back in 200 BC, Emperor Qin Shi Huang, who stood at just 4 feet 11 inches, was considered quite short. According to his 18 rules, one needed to be as tall as him to be recognized as an adult. This meant that shorter men could easily claim to be children. Since birth records were scarce and it was hard to prove one's age, the emperor decided to use height as the measure instead. However, if you were taller than him, you had to be very careful about showing your feelings. The same set of rules forbade men from crying, viewing it as a sign of weakness. If a man was caught crying, he would have his beard and eyebrows shaved off as a penalty. And here's something even more astonishing. For women, the Qin dynasty initiated one of the most unusual crying traditions ever. Every woman was required to cry for an hour each day for 30 days before her wedding. She wouldn't do this alone. Her mother would join her for the first 3 weeks, her grandmother for the next 2 weeks, and finally, aunts and sisters for the last week. It was considered an essential way to show love for her family.
So that's all. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, The Future of AI. For more amazing AI videos, love you all my beautiful people. Bye.